Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Ash, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to everyone listening. It's wonderful to be back here today.
It is. How are you today, Paul?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I feel energetic today.
Oh, energetic. That's great. Why do you feel energetic?
I don't know. The sun is shining, I had a good breakfast, and you? How are you?
I'm great, thank you. I'm happy and a little energetic too.
Why is that?
This morning, I went for a long walk in the park.
A walk in the park. That's a perfect start to the day.
It was beautiful. Lots of people were in the park.
Yes, the park is a busy place in the morning.
It is, and that's what I want to talk about today.
Oh, you're walking the park?
Yes, but what I saw in the park.
Okay, I'm listening. What did you see?
I saw people doing many different things, and that gave me an idea for our topic.
A new topic. I'm excited. What is it?
But wait,
Oh, yes, before we start the topic.
yes, before we start, we want to ask you a small favor.
That's right. If you enjoy our podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to Mr. English Ash.
Yes, and please give this episode a like, a big thumbs up.
It really helps our channel grow. And if you have a friend who is learning English, please share this with them.
We appreciate your help so much. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, thank you. Okay, Emily, I'm ready now. The park. What did you see?
I saw sports.
Sports. Ah, yes, of course.
Yes, so today, let's talk about sports.
That is a fantastic topic. I like sports.
Me too. Some sports.
Yes, me too, some sports. So, where do we start?
Well, first, Paul, do you play any sports?
Do I play? Yes, I do.
Oh, what sports do you play?
I play tennis.
Tennis. Wow. I think tennis is difficult.
It is a little difficult, but it's very fun.
I believe you. Do you play tennis with a friend?
Yes, I play with my friend Mark. We play on Saturdays.
That's so nice. You need a racket, right?
Yes, a racket and a ball, a small yellow ball.
And you run a lot.
Yes, run left, run right, run fast. It's good exercise.
I like to watch tennis on TV. It's very fast.
Yes, whack, whack.
The sound of the ball. Do you play any other sports?
I go swimming.
Swimming. I like swimming. Do you swim?
Yes, I go to the swimming pool in the summer. The water is cool. It feels good.
Yes, I love swimming. It's very relaxing. It's not fast like tennis.
No, it's slow and quiet. I like that.
Me too. It's good for your body.
Yes, very good. So, you play tennis and go swimming. What about football?
Football. In America, people say soccer.
Yes, the most popular sport in the world.
Do you play football?
No, I do not.
Me neither. I am very bad at football. I run, but the ball goes far away.
Yes, me too. It's very hard to kick the ball. But I love to watch football.
Me too. I love to watch football on TV.
Yes, it's so exciting. Which team do you like, Paul?
I like the team that wears blue. They're my favorite.
I like the team that wears red. They are very fast.
Blue versus red, it's a big game.
Yes, when I watch, I shout, "Go! Go! Go!"
Me too. Go! It's a great feeling.
It is. It's fun to watch with friends.
Oh, yes. Watch football, eat pizza.
Perfect.
A perfect Saturday. What about you, Emily? You don't play football. Do you play other sports?
Well, I go running.
Running. Ah, like your walk in the park?
Yes, sometimes I walk, sometimes I run. Or I jog.
What is jog?
Jogging is slow running.
Ah, I like jogging. Running slow sounds good to me.
Me too. I am not a fast runner. I go slow. I listen to music or a podcast.
That is a great idea. Running in the park with music?
Yes, it makes me feel happy and healthy.
Healthy is very important. That is a great sport, Emily.
Thank you. It's easy. You just need good shoes.
That's true. Very simple. What about basketball?
Basketball. Wow. Basketball is very fast.
Yes, it is. The players are so tall.
Yes, very, very tall.
They jump so high.
I like to watch basketball. It's exciting.
Me too. Do you play basketball?
Paul, look at me. Am I tall?
No, Emily. No, I am not tall. I cannot play basketball.
Me neither. I am short.
We are the short team.
We can watch.
Yes, watching is fun too. What other sports are there? Oh, I know. Biking.
Biking or cycling.
Yes. Do you have a bicycle, Emily?
I do. I have a blue bicycle. It's old, but good.
Oh, fun. Where do you ride your bike?
I ride in the park, or sometimes on Sunday when the roads are quiet, I ride in the city.
That sounds lovely.
It is. It's good exercise. You see many things.
I like to ride my bike to the shop.
Oh, that's a good idea, to buy bread.
Yes, I have a small basket on my bike. I put the bread in the basket.
That is a great picture, Emily.
It's true. So we like biking.
Yes, we do. What about sports in the winter when it's cold?
Ooh, winter sports.
Yes, like skiing.
Skiing on the snow in the mountains?
Yes, it looks beautiful, all white.
Have you tried skiing?
No, never.
I am a little scared.
Scared?
Yes, it looks very fast, going down the mountain, zoom.
Zoom! Yes, me too. I think I am scared too.
And it's cold.
Yes, very, very cold.
You need a big jacket and gloves.
I like to watch it on TV in my warm house with a cup of hot chocolate.
Yes, that is the best way to ski.
I agree.
What about ice skating?
Ice skating, that is beautiful.
Yes, the people dance on the ice. It looks so graceful.
But it also looks hard.
Very hard. The ice is slippery.
Yes, I think I would fall a lot.
Me too. We would be the falling team.
The falling team is right. Okay, so no skiing, no ice skating for us.
No, we just watch.
Okay, what about volleyball?
Volleyball, yes. I like volleyball.
Do you play?
I played one time at the beach.
Ah, beach volleyball.
Yes, it was so fun. The sand is soft.
Yes, when you fall, it's okay.
Exactly. And you jump and hit the ball over the net.
It's a team sport. You play with friends?
Yes, playing with friends is the best.
I agree. Sports are fun alone, like swimming or running, but sports with friends are very special.
Yes, you laugh together, you help each other.
That's right. What about sports we don't understand?
Oh, that's funny. Are there any sports you watch and think, huh?
Yes, for me, maybe golf.
Oh, golf. It's so quiet.
Yes, very quiet.
They hit a small white ball.
Yes. And then they walk. A long, long walk.
Yes. And then they hit the ball again.
Yes, it looks very slow. I like fast sports.
Me too. Golf is a little sleepy for me.
Sleepy, yes. But many people love golf. It's just not for me.
Not for me either. What about American football?
Ooh, that's different from our football.
Yes, very different. The players are big.
Yes, very big and strong. They run and then stop.
And they throw the ball.
It's interesting. Many rules. I don't understand all the rules.
Me too. But it looks very powerful.
Yes, powerful is a good word. Paul, what do you think is the easiest sport?
The easiest? For a beginner, I think maybe walking.
Walking?
Is walking a sport?
Yes, I think so. It's good for you. It's easy.
Okay, I agree. Walking is a great sport. And running. Or jogging.
Yes, jogging is easy to start. You just go slow.
And swimming. You can go very slow in the pool.
That's true. You just float.
Floating is my favorite sport.
Oh, Emily.
So we have sports we play and sports we watch.
Yes. What about sports at home?
At home? Like in the living room?
Yes, some people do yoga.
Ah, yoga. My sister loves yoga.
Is it a sport?
I think so. It's difficult. You have to stretch and balance.
Yes, balance is hard. Stand on one foot.
I cannot do that. I fall.
Yoga is very quiet and calm.
Sounds wonderful. Maybe I should try yoga.
Maybe I should try yoga too.
We can try together. The Fallian team tries yoga.
Oh no, the poor yoga teacher.
Wow, Paul, we talked about so many sports.
We did. Tennis, swimming, football, running, biking, skiing, skating, basketball, volleyball, yoga, and golf.
Yes, it was so much fun to talk about this.
It was. I learned a lot about your sports, Emily.
And I learned about yours. I'm happy you play tennis.
And I'm happy you go jogging.
Sports make us feel strong and happy.
Yes, healthy and happy. That's the important part.
And it's fun to talk about them in English.
Yes, we used many good words today. Play, watch, go, fast, slow, easy, hard, team, player, ball, and racket.
See, easy words to talk about a big topic.
That was great. But, oh, look at the time, Emily.
Wow, yes, our time is finished for today.
Time flies when we're having fun.
It really does. We hope everyone listening had fun with us today.
Yes, and we hope you learned new English words for talking about sports.
And we have a question for you.
Yes, our question in the comments below. Please tell us, what is your favorite sport?
Yes, do you like to play a sport or do you like to watch sports on TV?
We'd love to read your answers in English. We read every comment.
It's our favorite part. Thank you all so much for listening.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was great to talk to you.
See you next time, Paul.
Bye, Emily.
Bye, everyone.